What is up, internet? Oh, I can't even see. This is so freaking tall. As you can see, we're back in the shop with my 911, and we're doing our first oil change since I bought the car. I have no idea when the last oil change was, which is why we are doing it now. That's about it, right?
Yeah, that's about it.
That's about it. We're doing the oil change. Let's go. Okay, let's go under the car here. Where am I at? Okay, let's see. That is the oil drain plug right there. And then let's see. Oh, and here is the oil filter. So, ooh, it's kind of dirty. Dang. Oh, well, we're gonna replace the gasket, make sure everything is all good, but yeah, let's start draining the oil. Whole car shook. That scared the piss out of me. Okay. Oh, you got it. Okay. This is the oil change legend. How's the oil look? It's on your fingers already?
Dirty.
Dirty?
Dirty as can be.
It's not that long. Oh, not bad. That is dirty oil.
That's really dirty.
Is it warm?
Yeah, it's pretty warm. Oh, I see the filter.
That is on there way tight. Nice. Okay, let me show you guys the oil we're running. So we got the oil filter, micro guard, and then we also got two things of Mobile One 5W40 full synthetic. The manual calls for 0W40, but that's just like too light, I think, for me. So I want 5W40, and the car takes about 9.2 gallons. I mean, 9.2 quarts, which is still a ton of oil. But yeah, that's what we got. Put the new filter in it. Well, if I can hold the camera. Where are we at? I can't see the camera. I'm so bad at recording. Okay, come on. Come on, Brain, do the thing. Okay, there we go. There's the new filter. Okay, so I was wondering why the car was so loud. It sounded like a vacuum cleaner. This whole line has been off probably the whole time I've owned the car. I don't actually know what this whole unit is. What do you think it is, Eric?
I don't know.
I guess we'll have to look that up, but we'll definitely want to put that hose back on. That is crazy. That's why it was so loud. Huh. Not sure exactly what this unit is, but we get the hose back on. Car's been running fine. Huh. Nice. Wonder if the car's gonna be quieter now, dude. You know how it sounded like a vacuum, didn't it?
It did.
Okay, let's put the air cleaner back in. Where is it? There it is. Alright guys, that's it for the oil change. Shout out to my man Eric right here for finding that issue I didn't even know existed with the tube or whatever it was. Still gotta find out what that is. I'm not sure. I'll update you guys when I find out. But that's it. What is up, guys? So I was just out here kind of polishing up the car, getting some things, you know, just you know, doing some polishing, cleaning it up, doing all the windows and stuff. And, you know, it's looking pretty good. You know, took it to the wash, got it all cleaned. Now just finishing up the windows, and I for the first time since I got the car, I got into the back, right? It's fine. I mean, 911s, they have small trunks. Let me get in here. Holy cow. And as you can see, it's very tight in here. But look what I found. Hold up. Let me put the seat down. Pull this a certain way. Hold on. How do I do this? Pull it. I'll pull it forward. There we go. And then it falls. We flip the camera around. I thought the carpet looked okay until I touched it for the first time. It's all dust. Now, it looks like fibers and stuff, and it is gross. I've never seen it before. And yeah, it's time to get that cleaned up. I don't want that in here. So it's time to get the vacuum out. Okay. Oh, that took a while. It's hot. But I think I got it looking better. Let me show you. Oh, here we go. Got a little bit dark outside, so I'm using the light now, but carpet's looking a lot better. It's not perfect. I still want to get the car detailed, but it looks a lot better than it was, that's for sure. No. Oh. Holy crap. The phone didn't break. That is insane. That was straight onto concrete. I'm sorry to you guys watching. That was probably alarming, but everything's okay. There's no cracks. Yeah, no cracks. Holy cow. Beautiful day out there though.